Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to turn on-screen keyboard on Predator 17. You can do it with a keyboard shortcut, Windows, Shift and O, probably. If it doesn't work, then Windows Control O, okay. So the Windows Control are like the shortcut keys, and the O letter, of course. And this is the on-screen keyboard, which you can resize. You can go to options and enable a numpad if you wish. And okay, so it's enabled, and then numlock off or on. And you can click on all the letters, click on Shift, click on Alt, or some other control to do shortcuts. And if you want to enable it through the settings, you go to settings, then ease of access, then find the on-screen keyboard in interaction, use the on-screen keyboard. And by the way, if you don't want to go to settings each time, you can simply right click on the on-screen keyboard here and pin it to the taskbar. And now if you close it, but by the way you can minimize it as well, but if you close it, it'll be here still. And that's all for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.